Hey guys, this is Derek Wolf with Over the Fire Cooking. I'm hanging out with Spiceology. 3 years in the making, my brand new beer cans. Smoked garlic jalapeno lager. It was a take on trying to do a salt, pepper, garlic with a little bit more to it. It is a fantastic beef rub. Like with salt, pepper, garlic, you can add a little bit more or whatever you want to this one. So taking some of the flavor profiles that I had from West Texas and trying to make something that could work on both a brisket and also a steak. Classic brisket is traditionally salt and pepper garlic option. So we added a little bit of that mesquite powder and then we added some jalapeno powder in there so it does have a little bit of a kick. This is a great steak rub. It's a great burger rub. It could go really well with brisket. If you like your traditional Central Texas style brisket, all I would say is add just a little bit more black pepper and you're ready to go. It's an amplified salt, pepper, garlic, some beer, and a little bit of smokiness and a little bit of spice.